Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. This is a simple yet a very powerful mantra. Generally, the outlook of this mantra gives us three Bhagavat Nama: Hari, Rama and Krishna. But we can refer to a lot of Bhagavat Rupas from this Nama. And when we do the Anusandhana of those Rupa while reciting this stotra, it gives us immense punya. The phala of reciting a stotra with Anusandhana is immense. So let us see it today. Let us first take Hari. In Sanskrita, Hari refers to Narasimha Rupa. So we are extracting Narasimha Rupa from Hari. He is called Narahari. He is the one who destroys the fear, who destroys durita, who destroys all the sins in our life. Bhaktanam bhayam duritam atishayena harati pariharati iti harihi. He is the one who destroys all these sins and fear, etc. So we extracted Narasimha Rupa from Hari. And the next one we can refer to is the Rupa called Hari. He is the one who came to rescue Gajendra. In Tapasa Manvantra, when Gajendra was almost dying by the hold of the crocodile, he did the Smarana of the Supreme Lord Narayana and he came on Garuda Vahana. And that Murti, that Rupa is called Hari. The Bhagavata says it clearly. And he was the one who destroyed the Dushta Shakti. He is the one who will destroy the Dushta Shakti, who will destroy the hold of the Dushta Shakti which is on the way of, which is hindering our sadhana. It says, Dushta Shakti nam akramanam harati pariharati iti harihi. And when we do the Smarana of these two Bhagavat Rupa of Narahari and Hari who came for Gajendra while reciting the stotra, the phala or the punya which we get from it is immense here. So next let us take Rama Nama. When we say Rama, we can refer to two here, the Dasharatha Rama and the other one Parashurama. Dasharatha Rama, we all know him. He was the one who destroys the Rakshasas and Asuras like Ravana, Kumbhakarna, etc. He was the one who relieved the pain and sorrow of these Rushi, Muni and Devatas by his Asura Samhara. He was the one who brought Santosha, happiness to all Sajjana. And on the other side we have Parashurama. He was the one who destroyed the ego and who killed a lot of Dushta Kshatriyas, who destroyed their egos. And if we do the Smarana of these two Bhagavat Rupa, Dasharatha Rama and Parashurama, while reciting this stotra, then we also can get rid of all those Dushta Shaktis or Dushta Guna like ego, etc., which are on our way to sadhana. So we saw four Bhagavat Rupas from two Nama. From Hari we referred to Narahari, which was the Narasimha Rupa, and the Hari who came at the Tapasa Manvantra. And from Ramanama we referred to Dasharatha Rama and Parashurama. So four Bhagavat Rupa. And now there is one more Nama, Krishna. While saying Krishna, we can refer to Yadava Krishna, who was the Gopala Krishna, and the other one was Vasishta Krishna, Lord Vedavyasa. Both of them, they both are same. There is nothing difference in Bhagavat Rupa, the avatara of the Supreme Lord, the Moola Rupa of the Supreme Lord and the avatara Rupa of the Supreme Lord is always the same. There is no difference between those. There is no difference between Rama and Krishna. They are the same. So here both Yadava Krishna and Vasishta Krishna, they both reduced the impact of Kali. They reduced the impact, the prabhava of Kali. Yadava Krishna, he reduced the impact of Kali by his magnificent magnum opus Charitra. And here Vasishta Krishna, Lord Vedavyasa, reduced the impact of Kali through his words in Mahabharata. And when we do the smarana of all these Bhagavat Rupa, like we saw in Harinama, we saw Narasimha Rupa and Hari Rupa. And in Ramanama, we saw Dasharatha Rama and Parashurama. In Krishna, we saw Yadava Krishna, who was the Gopala Krishna, and Vasishta Krishna, Lord Vedavyasa. So, when we do the smarana of Anusandhana of all these Bhagavat Rupa while reciting the stotra, then, as I said before, the phala of it is very high. And it's always, our Siddhanta has emphasized Anusandhana in each and everything we do. In puja, in seva, Guru seva, Hari seva, in each and everything we do, our Siddhanta has emphasized Anusandhana. So let us try to do Anusandhana and let us get more punya by doing it. Shri Krishnarpanamastu.